Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a zip file in a minute and you can send via email in wire. So after watching this video, you are able to do this work. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, you can see here the 4 image. Actually this for YouTube thumbnail, so I want to create a zip file and I want to send my friend. So first of all, select these 4 image, then click on right button. You can see add to desktop RAR file. So again just select, then click on right button, then you can see here is a type of compress and email. So here is the 3 option: RAR, RAR4 and zip file. So I want to create a zip file. Here is a just select this zip file. So if you want to add a password, so here is the type of password, then okay. So I'm not interested, so just click on zip file. Okay, my zip file are successfully created. So I want to it's a folder, so just right button click and folder. So I want to write ABC, folder name ABC. So just cut and paste this, so it's 100% right now. So I'm going on for sending this email on my friend. Just compose, this is my friend, just select. So now just click on this icon, attach file, then go your destination where it's saved. So I'm going here. Wow, you can see ABC file. So just click on open. Okay, you can see it's attaching on here. So I can write, hey, hi, if you receive, please message me. Okay, just click on, then send your friend. So this is video. You can send a zip file to your friend. If you want to more videos type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have liked and subscribed this channel. See you again, take care, bye.